Hello, I'm Rod Bristol with Profit Soup. We're a financial education company that serves business owners with financial education, both live at conferences and online, like I'm doing for you today. We are so pleased to be ambassadors for the SBDC Day. And as part of our process supporting SBDC Day, I'm presenting to you today a little program called Dream Big, Have a Plan. And this tool that I'm going to share with you is developed to help you as a business owner figure out what is it that I would like to do with my business and when would I like to do it? How much would I like it to be worth? It's designed so that we have your plan right over here. So as you think about what I'm presenting to you, I want you to think about how you can put your own numbers in to create your plan, your dream. So here's how this works. When would the transition take place? In this particular case, I'm doing a 5-year transition. Depending on where you're at in your business career, maybe it's 3 years, maybe it's 10 years. But for this particular example, I'm using 5. How much do you want the business to be worth then? In this particular case, this owner would like to have the business be worth $2 million in 5 years. So how do you get there? How do you get to that value? Well, you start with what is called the EBITDA multiplier. Now, what is EBITDA? EBITDA is one of those things that it's a term that's bandied around a lot, but not a lot of people necessarily understand. EBITDA is an acronym for E for earnings, which is your net profit, plus all of those things that the business pays for you, the owner, that a new buyer would not have to pay for. Like, for example, your car, your cell phone, your life insurance, and all the other things that the business pays for that a new owner, as I said, wouldn't have to. The B stands for before. We're going to add back some items that are below, like your interest, the taxes that you pay, the depreciation that you take, and the amortization that you take on your non-tangible items. This combined together creates your total earnings package, or your EBITDA. Now, what EBITDA multiplier is realistic for your industry is the next question. For our example today, I've used 4 times. EBITDA multipliers can go from a low of 2 times up to a high of 10 times, depending on how attractive your business is, how much value it has, its sales, whether or not there's being a national roll-up of some kind by private equity. There's lots of things that influence this multiplier. But for you as a business owner, we've laid out 25 of them, 25 things that you can do today to lift tomorrow's value. And it's a checklist, and it's available for you right here at profits@profitsoup.com. Go to profits@profitsoup.com, request this. We're very happy to send it to you because it gives you an idea of how well-run managed companies, well-managed companies do it. How do they do it? These are the things that they do. And as you look down this list, I would like you to pick 1 or 2 that perhaps you are not doing and say, for 2023, for this year, I'm going to do those things. I'm going to add that management tool to my business. When you do that, I promise you, it will continue to raise the value of your business and make it more attractive and valuable as you go to sell it. Now, what EBITDA target do you need for your investment? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to divide line 2 by line 3. And the total EBITDA that this business needs to achieve in order to create a $2 million value is $500,000. Now, what is the EBITDA? What is the earnings potential for your business? It really varies from network to network. Some businesses typically will earn 10% earnings at the end of the year. Some businesses earn 25 or 30%. For our example, I have used 20%. This gives us the ability now to calculate what are the sales required to generate that target value. I'm going to take $500,000, divide it by 20%, and for this business owner to create a $2 million value and to do it in 5 years, he needs to create, or she, a $2,500,000 sales business. How do you do that? Well, there's a couple things that you need to think through. You need to be able to look at how is your business structured today? Now, some businesses, you can do it with one location. It's the kind of business where you can grow to $2.5 million. Not every business concept has the ability to do that. Sometimes you can only grow to 1.25 million. So you're going to need 2 locations. Or maybe you need 3 locations because your concept and your business can only do between 500,000 to typically $1 million a year. So you're right in that 833 category, and you're going to need 3 of them. This tool gives you the ability to really think through where you're going to go with your business, how you're going to create the maximum value for you and win. Now then, your priority is to execute growth strategies to support this plan. Financial knowledge as you grow your business is so critically important. So we would like to offer you our Profit Soup Online financial training. It's 14 courses, takes about 12 hours, and it is a $497 value. And we want you to dream big, but there's a difference between having a big dream and making it a reality. You need to get a handle on the numbers side of your business in order to be able to do that. And if you're like most business owners, sometimes that financial part of it might not be the strongest part of your management capabilities. So as part of our support of National SBDC Day, we're offering this program at our $497 price, which is a 40% discount. In order to get that discount, you need to use the 40% off code. So go to our website, profitsouponline.com. We have 2 free courses for you there, and you can try those courses completely for free. If you like what you see, if you like how we present finance, use the code 40% off to get our SBDC discount on this program. And this discount is available through April 30th as our support of the SBDC, National SBDC Day. I know you have a dream. When I owned my business, I had a dream, but I had to learn financial tools to help me figure out how to create that dream. I promise you, if you will look for and find and go through our Profit Soup Online curriculum, it will give you the knowledge and the insights you need to make your dream happen. And I want to wish you the very best for you, for your business, and for your family. Thank you. And once again, it's our honor to support and be an ambassador for SBDC Day.